Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to share with you some amazing niches for Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Etsy, print on demand in general. And I'm not going to do it the usual way. I'm going to show you a brand new way that I have never ever shared before. And you guys are going to find it absolutely fascinating. And it's so easy to find niches that are selling well. And also, what's more important, they are low in competition. Now, let me share my screen with you. And there's no way, guys, you would make sales with this method. I'm telling you, there's absolutely no way. Let me share my screen and let me give you the lowdown. Right. So usually we find niches with the best sellers or seller trends, and there's some other ways as well with Merch Dominator. But with the brand new tool of Redbubble, we'll be able to find niches that you cannot find with normal means. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to trending searches like so. And what trending searches of Redbubble shows you, the searches that people are searching for currently, right now, not yesterday, not the day before, today, right? So here's how we know. We click on this and it takes us to Redbubble, okay? And then when I click on it, it shows me that people are searching for it, right? And every single one of these trends or keywords, they are being searched for right now, okay? And we have 5,050 today, right? Tomorrow it's going to be different. The day before it was different. They are changing every single day and we update them every single day, guys, live. That is crazy, right? Now, here's the trick. Obviously, you can see competition. You can open them in any of these platforms, etc. You can check for the trademarks. But what I like to do is I like to go to show keyword with. I like to go to 5 words or more. Click on search. Now watch the magic happen. We've got loads of quotes, guys, that we can use to our advantage. And what we can do is we can take them from Redbubble and put them in Merch by Amazon. Trust me, guys, not many people are doing this. In fact, only people that are in Merch Dominator are able to see this data, right? I haven't seen it anywhere else. Now watch what happens. Obviously, you can use them for Redbubble. You can check the competition for Redbubble, etc., and re-upload these designs on Redbubble with your own spin on them. But if you really want to make proper money, right, decent money, take them from Redbubble and put them in your Merch by Amazon accounts. Obviously, you can do Etsy and whatnot. I'm just going to show you the difference between Redbubble and Merch by Amazon. Right, let's try this one right here. Fresh Air is for, I'm not going to say it, but you can see it, right? I'm going to open it in product search only because it's YouTube and I'm live, so I can't edit it because I want to do this live so that you guys can see in around about 10 minutes how many niches we can find. Okay, so we can see that people are searching for it on Amazon. Click on search. I'm going to copy this quote and I'm going to find it here. Right, so it's selling, right? Sold. A lot of them have sold. Obviously, you're not going to sell every single day with this niche, but there are only 19 results. And not all the 19 results are for this quote right here. All right, can you guys see what I'm talking about? Can you see how powerful this is? Very low competition niches. Right, next. Let's check this one right here. Copy. Simply just copy it, put it here, and search. 80 results. Again, not all of them are for this niche. Look, 399K in BSR, selling. Right, selling as well. All of them are selling, guys. Right, only 80 results. See that? 80 results. Not thousands, only 80. Let's try this one right here. $123 results. Is it selling? Let's just wait for the BSR to load. Look, sold 336K in BSR. Some of them are not showing, the whole thing in the title, but I'm just going to try and read it from the design. Okay, this one right here, 600K. Yeah, nope, selling, selling. All of these are selling, guys, all of them. All right, even down there, even down here, it's selling, right? You have to search for copyright for all of these niches, guys. I don't have time to search for copyright, so I'm just showing you the method. And obviously, don't follow it blindly. You have to know what you're doing, all right? If you don't know, learn. Okay, next. What I'm doing here, mentally, I'm trying to avoid anything that I think might be copyrighted. Just play it by ear. Okay, let me try this one. Pretty much every single one that I'm checking is a hit. 142 results, not many. All right, there you go. Sold already. It has 17 reviews. Guys, very low number of results. All right. Look, selling. All of them are selling. And only 142 results. I'm telling you guys, this is literally the best method. The best is yet to come. Copy. And put it here. And when you put the quotes here, you can check all the keywords for it, right? Is it popular or not? If you don't find any long tail keywords for it, or any results, any suggestions, that means it's not high in demand. But when you find suggestions, that means people are looking for it. 172 results. Again, not all of them are for this quote. That's why I'm trying to search in title like this. And I'm doing this live for you guys so that you can see how it works, how we can easily find niches that are selling. Right. All of the ones that I've checked have sold. Insane, right? It's so easy to just get niches like that. Okay, let's check this one right here. You need to calm down. This is a Taylor Swift song, but obviously, you know, we can avoid it. We're not gonna work on this one. But I'm just showing you that people are doing it, you know, playing in the gray area and are selling. Right, look at that. Sold, 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 and selling. Right? Check this out. Great niches. All right. Next. Okay, let's try this one right here. I'm not going to go through more than 2 pages because obviously I don't have time to show you everything. But guys, Get Merch Dominator, it has all of these niches and they update every single day. 76 results. Check this out. 76 results only. They've sold. Look at that. Sold. Sold. All of them are selling. Obviously, the BSI is a bit higher, right? But the results are really, really low. So you could be one of these people selling in this niche, you know, once a week or so, right? Why not? Buy Man Eats Fish. Let's have a look at this one. 201 results. Now the question is it selling? Let's have a look. Yes, it has sold. And it has a BSR, a good BSR. Probably sold yesterday, this one. Right. Million BSR. Sold. Right, sold. All of them have sold. The ones that I'm checking. Again, the competition is low, but you can't expect to sell like crazy every single day, right? And trust me, guys, there's no doubt that if you keep looking through these trends, that you won't find a niche that is selling like crazy. You just have to keep going through it, okay? Okay, let me try this one right here. I'm not going to put the whole quotes. I'm just going to put the first bit and see what comes up. 132 results. And I'm going to only keep this first bit here. Right. Sold, 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 sold. I think at the top it sold as well. Yeah, this one has sold as well. Selling. Look at that. Come on, guys. Only 132 results. This is a joke. If you guys don't sell, then it's all on you. I'm not sure. This is probably a copyright. But let me just see if it's selling. Guys, you have to check Google always. Google is your friend. Yeah. It is a song name, I think. Yeah. But 216 results. People are selling in it, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Next, what do we have? No, this is a movie. We can do hard things. This is a niche for back to school, I think. Or it's a school niche for all I know. 347 results. This is literally the highest number we've seen so far. Let's have a look. 1 million. Yeah, we can do hard things. Look, 473k BSR. We can do hard things. This one right here as well. But you need to check if it's copyrighted or not. I haven't checked it, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, it is copyright. So you guys have to check, right? I can't check everything. And again, I can't be blamed if you don't do your checks properly, right? Again, look how many you've got. Like loads and loads of niches, guys. Loads. And this is just in 5 words or more. If you do 4 words, you'll have more keywords, more niches. 245 niches right there. 3 words. 754 niches. The sky's the limit, guys. Literally, the sky's the limit. And if you're not subscribed to Merch Dominator, you can literally get it for $24.50 per month if you apply coupon code 50 off. Let me do it for you again. So 50 off, put it here, apply, it becomes $24.50. And if you want to get the yearly upfront, you'll get another 2 months on top of that, discounted. So it becomes $245 for the year, divided by 12, around about $20 per month. So it's, guys, I'm telling you, it's really worth it because there's so much going on in the tool. We're adding so many features literally on a bi-weekly basis and a monthly basis. There's always something going on. We've just added the Redbubble tool, and we're going to be adding loads of other tools. Very soon, we're going to add the AI niche generator and the AI quotes generator. Very, very soon. Okay. And if you guys want to get 200 plus niches, check out the description. I'll leave it for you for free. And there's also a niches service if you don't want to, mess about and research niches. If you don't have time, you'll find the link in the description. Also, if you guys want to get a Merch by Amazon account, you don't have, you weren't accepted, or you don't have time to keep applying and reapplying. It's really frustrating to keep getting rejected. That's why we've got this service. If you know someone that wants to buy it, I'll leave you a link in the description as well. And if you guys want to do a strategy call, you've got basically you've got me available to have a chat with you, etc., etc. And if you want to get my course as well, you'll have a link in the description. So I hope you found this very useful, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Drop me a question down in the comments, and do all the necessary things like subscribe and share and all of that. And I'll see you in the next video.